Hello, today in this video we'll see how you can download and install Roblox game development software or Creator Studio, you can say, for to develop your first game. So open Google and just search for Roblox game development or Roblox Creator Hub. See here, create.roblox.com. This is the website. Anyway, I'll drop this link in the description. If you want, you can just click and reach to this page. Click on start creating here so that you can get the download link here. Checking for Roblox Studio. Click on download studio. This is very less in size, around 10 MB. Yeah. It took like 1 to 2 minutes for the complete download. Once it is completely download on my Windows, remember first of all this is Windows 11 laptop. Okay, I'll go to the download folder. Yeah, there are multiple downloads. Maybe I clicked more than once. Yeah. And this setup, the installation process almost took like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this screen loads up it until it is completely finished. I'll be getting back once it is finished. Okay, yeah, once the installation is completely finished, you will see this startup page. I already have a Roblox account, so I'm just directly logging in. If not, you can create a new account by clicking on sign up at the bottom option. So you need to create one and click on login. So once you log in, you will see the first interface of the gaming development software from our Roblox Studio, you can say. So start tour. In this you can get to know few of the shortcuts or how you can use this IDE or the studio. Okay, so introduction. See here, this Roblox project include a place, means the terrain or the area, working area or base plate, you can say. So you can just read it and control key and left mouse button, then move your mouse to turn the camera. See, you can alternatively press WASD to control the camera, or what you can do is just press on the right click of your mouse and you can pan the camera, means wherever you want you can press and hold the right click on the mouse and move so that you can see different parts of the world or terrain. Alternatively, you can use WASD for the same camera movement. Creator store, and this is where you can get available 3D models. Okay, skip. Later in the upcoming videos we'll see a complete game development using all these softwares, but just now for this tutorial I'm just confining to the downloading and installation process. It just took 1 to 2 minutes for to do all these things, except the waiting time of the installation. This is very easy. Okay, return to the editing. In the future upcoming videos I'll show you how you can write the scripting and do a basic game to the complex games and everything. Okay, I'm just holding the left click on my mouse and moving the objects which are already in the gaming terrain or the world, you can say. So this is example project. Okay, this is example project. I didn't add anything in this, as the Roblox Studio only gave a sample project. I'm just checking for the options. One thing you can do after the installation is just watch the next video of introduction to this Roblox Creator Studio. So in that I'll explain what are the options and how you can place any object into the scene or working area. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.